Weather on chart here. This is our fourth U.S. weather outlook where possible severe weather and even more snow is possible. Currently, there's some thunderstorms in the Gulf of Mexico and parts of Texas, the atmospheric river in the eastern Pacific, and heavy snow falling for parts of the Great Lakes. Here is the current radar. You can see that there's that Alberta Clipper currently in Toronto or Ontario, Canada, producing heavy snowfall currently, where some places could get an extra feet of snow in localized areas, and thunderstorms still happening in Texas. The SBC hasn't labeled any severity for these thunderstorms. There's just going to be some normal showers. And you can see some flurries possibly in parts of North Dakota, Ohio, and Minnesota. Let's go to the models. This is the GFS. As we go farther, you can see that Alberta Clipper fully being in Canada by tomorrow, where snow is gonna happen for parts of the Great Lakes. As we go farther, a possible Alberta Clipper 4 days from now, bringing even more unneeded snow for parts of the Great Lakes, where possibly one more extra feet of snow after that one in some localized places. So we need to watch out for that. And then possibly severe weather for parts of the southeast, but the SBC hasn't labeled anything, but we still need to watch it. Let's go to the temperatures here, how it is currently. If you're in Florida, you should be having 30 to 40 degree temperatures this morning. And in the Great Lakes region, you should be waking up to below freezing conditions. And for parts of New York, you could get close to zero in some parts of the Appalachian Mountains there. As we go 24 hours in the future, you can see some places possibly going below zero in parts of Minnesota and the most northern parts of North Dakota and South Dakota, and below freezing conditions for parts of the Appalachians and the Northeast. As we go farther, the polar vortex moves south due to a sudden stratospheric warming. It goes more south with some temperatures in the southeast down below freezing, and some parts having only 10-degree temperatures. As we go farther, it starts to warm up again. The polar vortex moves more north, but as we go into 6 days, the polar vortex moves more south, but this is far out. So we need to watch this 20-degree temperatures for parts of Colorado. But we shouldn't take anything this far out. Here's the snow. We're focusing on the northeast for a special region. As we go a day from now, some parts of New York could get up to a feet locally, and some parts getting lake effect snow in Michigan. As we go farther, some places definitely getting a foot of snow in around 3 days from now, more locally. As we go a full week of the forecast, 15 inches for some parts of New York and Toronto, I, no, Ontario, and some localized 8 inches for parts of northern Michigan. Here's the other model. I'm going to show you the RGIM, where it shows an even more concerning outlook. As we go farther, yes, This is 4 days out. No, 3 days out. 22 inches in some places, possibly 28 locally. This is a mesoscale models where it only does forecast for the continuous US and some more places getting a feet of snow, that which is unneeded. That is all we have for today. Please like and subscribe for more outlook.